Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you recently updated your Samsung phone to One UI 8.5, then Samsung has quietly added a very important hidden feature that most Galaxy users don't even know exists. And honestly, I think every Samsung user should turn on this feature immediately because this feature can automatically detect apps that constantly send annoying advertised notification, and it will reduce notification spam, put those apps into deep sleep automatically, and it may even help improve battery backup by reducing unnecessary background activity from apps that keep bothering you with spam ads. Now let me show you what this feature actually does and how you can turn this on. Just go to settings, then device care, then tap on the three dot on the right corner, go to settings, then here you will see a new option called block apps with. Tap on it. Now Samsung says app that frequently send advertisement notification can automatically be identified and blocked, and if Samsung detects an app constantly bothering you with ads, it can even place that app into deep sleep. Now the really interesting part of this feature is this option right here called intelligent blocking. According to Samsung, if you turn on this feature, your phone can automatically detect which notifications are advertisement and which are spams. And if an apps keep bothering you with ads and promotion notifications, Samsung can automatically block them before they become annoying. And because apps are now placed into deep sleep, run less aggressively in the background, this may also help reduce unnecessary battery drain over time. So I feel this feature is very useful for most of the user. I think it should really worth turning it on, especially if you are tired of random apps constantly sending promotion notification all day along. Like your notification is full of spam, etc. So if you turn this on, it will help a lot. Alright guys, if you recently updated to One UI 8.5, I think you should instantly turn on this feature. And guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. Like is completely free, but it really motivates me to make this kind of videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Bye. Have a great day.